Hey, tech enthusiasts! Today, we've got something futuristic on our hands. The top 5 best smart glasses of 2024. From augmented reality wonders to sleek and stylish frames packed with cutting-edge features, we've scoured the tech landscape to bring you the creme de la creme of smart eyewear. Whether you're a tech-savvy trendsetter or just curious about the next gen in wearables, you won't want to miss this. Get ready to witness the fusion of fashion and function as we break down the top contenders, their mind-blowing features, and why they've earned a spot on our coveted list. Trust us, these aren't your grandma's bifocals. These are the smart glasses that are reshaping how we see and experience the world. So grab your virtual front row seat and join us on this journey through the future of eyewear. It's time to see the world through a whole new lens, literally. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Number 5. Razer Onzu. Individuals spending extended hours in front of their screens can benefit from Razer's Onzu smart glasses, designed to filter blue light and alleviate eye fatigue and strain. These glasses, sporting Razer's classic all-black hue, are offered in both round and square styles, available in small and large sizes to accommodate diverse preferences. Often accessible at a discounted price, they provide additional value by including clear lenses that filter 35% of blue light for indoor use, along with interchangeable black polarized lenses suitable for outdoor activities. Incorporating speakers, omnidirectional microphones, and discrete touch controls on each arm, the Onzu smart glasses facilitate playing and pausing tracks, as well as accessing voice assistants like Siri. The open-ear design allows ambient sounds, making it practical for activities such as walking in the street, while the low-latency Bluetooth connection ensures a seamless experience during calls without lags or stuttering. With an IPX4 rating, the Razer Onzu is well-suited for exposure to rain and sweat, functioning as versatile 2-in-1 smart glasses with both clear and dark lenses. While swapping out lenses may pose a challenge, and the sound quality is more optimized for calls and podcasts than music, these minor inconveniences can be easily overlooked when considering Onzu's budget-friendly price and exceptional value. Number 4. Rokid Air. The Rokid Air AR glasses currently stand as the premier choice for immersive movie-watching experiences. Once you don these glasses, you're transported into a 120-inch cinematic world, featuring an HD 1080p OLED display and a generous 43-inch field of view. Remarkably lightweight at 83 grams, these glasses can be conveniently folded like any ordinary pair, ensuring hassle-free portability. The Rokid Air app provides access to 3DR videos and engaging AR games. Versatility is a key feature, as these glasses are compatible with various devices, requiring the appropriate adapter. Whether it's smartphones, gaming consoles, computers, or tablets, the compatibility list is extensive. Enjoy entertainment on a 120-inch screen, or connect the glasses to your phone or laptop for an expansive on-the-go workspace. The HD directional speakers guarantee clear audio during meetings, and the glasses are certified for low blue light, minimizing eye strain. Aligned with Rokid's mission of leave nobody behind, these glasses cater to diverse settings like home, work, the gym, and beyond. Myopia-friendly, they feature adjustable knobs for myopia correction ranging from 0.00 to -5, 00D for each eye, ensuring a personalized and comfortable viewing experience. Number 3. TCL Nextwear S. Despite not having the vibrant display of its counterparts, the TCL Nextwear S smart glasses stand out for their unparalleled comfort, featuring a sleek finish that stays cool and TUV low blue light eye protection. Ideal for movie marathons or extended gaming sessions, TCL has mastered the fundamentals, making them remarkably user-friendly. Notably, the sunglass shade effortlessly attaches and detaches through a magnetic system, eliminating the need for forceful snapping. Small but impactful features, such as physical buttons for adjusting volume and brightness or entering 3D movie mode, set the Nextwear S apart. This is a refreshing departure from touch-sensitive panels or multifunctional wheels found in other models. Additionally, it is the only pair using a Pogo USB connector, akin to Apple's MagSafe system, allowing easy disconnection to reduce wire strain, enhancing convenience during travel. While maintaining a sharp 1080p picture, the Nextwear S exhibits limited brightness and refresh rate, particularly noticeable during gaming when compared to the next smart glasses on our list. However, for movie watching, the dimmer screen creates a more lifelike experience with less eye strain, bringing out finer details like a 5 o'clock shadow or a pimple. TCL speakers deliver impressive bass and immersive 3D sound, even enabling Bluetooth pairing with an additional device for simultaneous audio playback from your phone. It's important to note that the Wayfarer design of these glasses is narrow narrower than the rounded shapes of other models, providing a more normal and compact appearance, especially appealing for travel. However, in a bustling environment, this design may increase awareness of the surroundings, potentially causing distractions. The NX Taiwear S exudes a high-quality feel and is backed by the largest of the three companies. Yet, if you prioritize a multi-window virtual workspace or primarily use the glasses at home, the other two models provide a broader field of vision and computing capabilities that the NX Taiwear S lacks. Number 2. Rokid Max. Rokid's Max AR glasses project an expansive 215-inch screen located 6 meters in front of you. While they may lack the multitasking capabilities found in the X-Real Nebula workspace, their AR ecosystem primarily consists of basic web apps. Nevertheless, the Max glasses compensate for this with the most impressive big screen mode in our test pool, featuring the highest refresh rate and the most vibrant picture. The Rokid Max offers extensive customization options, allowing adjustments from the angle of the arms to a physical dial for myopia correction on the top. This adaptability makes it user-friendly for sharing without requiring contacts or glasses, unlike other models that necessitate prescription lenses tailored to individual eyesight. Out of the box, Rokid's headset is streamlined. Simply assemble the components for the perfect fit. Connect the Max to a USB-C device, and the screen seamlessly appears at the center of your view from a distance, creating a sharp, theater-sized picture instantly. While excellent for gaming, it also enlarges the Max screen, although not as effectively as the X-Real remote desktop. The AR workspace, resembling the original iPhone's layout with app icons, feels somewhat laggy and lacks the multitasking capabilities of the earlier mentioned Airs. Where the Rokid Max clearly outshines the competition is in delivering a massive, immersive virtual display. The silky smooth 120Hz refresh rate enhances the experience of blockbuster games like Elden Ring, making FPS game crosshair aiming more responsive. The brighter 600 nits provide lush foliage and sand color variations with noticeable vibrancy. Surprisingly, the higher refresh rate does not significantly impact the battery life of devices like the Steam Deck or laptop. Notably, there's less image ghosting of trails left behind by fast-moving objects, such as vehicles in racing games. The oval design of the glasses ensures the widest field of view, maximizing immersion and blocking distractions from peripheral vision. While the screen moves with your head, causing slight wobbling during turbulence on a plane, the Max maintains superior image quality. Rokid's Max emerges as the top choice for those seeking the most immersive virtual screen for games and movies. Number 1. X-Real Air. X-Real, formerly known as Nreal, has recently undergone a rebranding, yet its flagship product remains unchanged, a positive aspect. The X-Real Air smart glasses feature 2 micro-OLED screens situated behind each lens, capable of projecting a virtual screen in front of the user's face. Employing birdbath optics, these displays are angled downwards and then reflected back to the wearer's eyes, reducing eye strain significantly and creating the illusion of the display being farther away rather than right in front. The projected display is comparable to viewing a 205-inch screen from approximately 10 feet away. The X-Real Air lacks internal storage and a processing unit, relying on a source device like a smartphone, Nintendo Switch, or computer for visuals. Connection is established through a reliable USB-C cable. While the X-Real Air may not boast many smart features, it excels in its primary function. The visuals are in 1080p resolution, offering vivid colors. With speakers integrated into the glass arms, users can connect the Air to their phones and enjoy Netflix or YouTube on a large screen anywhere. What distinguishes X-Real Air from similar glasses is its Nebula desktop software. Initially exclusive to macOS but now compatible with Windows, Nebula allows users to create a virtual desktop with 3 distinct instances of their computer screen. This unique feature enables a virtual triple monitor view using just 1 pair of glasses and 1 laptop. For digital nomads conducting most of their work in coffee shops using laptops, the X-Real Air presents an appealing solution. Alright, that's all for today's video, guys. Please drop a like if you enjoyed the video and subscribe to the channel if you'd like to see more videos like this.